apartment, let's trade places. There's some real estate. The way we moving things, I won't complain. I won't complain. I won't complain. Oh, you want me to give you what's yours? That's what it's meant for. You don't wanna miss the main cause. Tonight I'm finna let you do the honors, but you gotta bless your plate. Say something later. Switch it up like that. I'm the challenge. I know how to claim my place. I love when you call me baby. 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 Turn around me soon, baby. Now you know I talk big shit. That big shit, I'm with the touch. I love when you call me baby. I'm baby. Love when you call me baby. Love when you call me baby. Turn around me soon. Talk big shit. That big shit, I'm with the touch. What do you see that's so impressive? To take it off is what I see in your blood, just deep in your legs. Yeah, I'm different, angel, but I'm gifted. But I'm addicted, taste something expensive. I won't be asking you out, I'm on that building. They won't be able to tell me that shit, tell me. You and me like you're what I can't escape. Responsibility. I'm sure you know how I feel. Love is eyes whenever you go my way. Will it in my line tonight? I'm feeling like you put it on. But you gotta bless your play. Don't switch it up like that. I'm a child. I know how to claim my place. I love when you call me baby. 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 Turn around, be soon, even though you know I talk big shit. And that big shit, I'm attentive. I love when you call me baby. I'm baby. Love when you call me baby. Love when you call me baby. Talk big shit, and that big shit, I'm attentive. I love when you call me baby.
So welcome to my channel. My name is Keymee K. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're on Vlogmas day 5. If I have videos posted before this, then I'll title them as Vlogmas. But this might be the start of Vlogmas. And the sun keeps going in and out. So I'm about to take a break and make me some hot dogs because I've been cleaning up. The last part of what I gotta do is my room, and as you can see, like, look at it. It's clothes everywhere, and I'm freaking tired. It's like 1:36, so I'm gonna go cook me some hot dogs. So I want me some chili dogs, eat those, and then we're going to finish this up, and then we'll get on with today's agenda, because today was cleanup, and then I wanted to do a short, and I'm tired. So right now we're gonna go ahead and make us some chili dogs and let the dogs eat as well. So let's go do that. But yeah, you see this mess of a room? Like, stuff is everywhere. Everywhere. Like a disaster. Big mess. Big mess. But yeah, let's go get us some hot dogs. My camera is... So I'm gonna boil my wings. I don't know about y'all, but I like my wings boiled. I think they remind me of like Carnival Fair or like a ball game. I feel like their wings be boiled, so I like mine boiled. So I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in the pot and boil them. So I did fill them up with water. To me, I be feeling like I be wanting mine to have like some salt and stuff in there. I be like, I put seasoning and everything else. So I'm gonna add me some onion powder, and then I'm just gonna add some seasoning salt. I usually just let them boil out, but I be wanting to add stuff to it now. And I probably want a little bit of garlic powder as well. And you know what? I want to add some red pepper flakes to make them a little spicy. Where is my red pepper flakes at? Oh, right. So yeah, so that's how they look, and we gonna see how they taste. And it's like 5 motherfucking flies in here that have to get on my doggone nerves. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for that to boil, and then I'm gonna add my chili and stuff and cheese and show y'all. I know y'all had hot dogs before, it ain't nothing new, but that's what I'm doing today. I'm making some chili dogs, and I'm about to sit down and relax. So y'all see my room is like disastrous. Like, it's so much clothes, and that's one of the things I don't like to do. I don't like to clean out the refrigerator, and I don't like putting up clothes. That's my 2 things I don't like to do. Everything else I'm fine, but that right there, I don't like to do it. So that's why so many clothes. But yeah, I'm gonna let my weenies boil, put my chili on there, my cheese, because I love me some chili cheese dogs. And you know, wait on it to boil, and I'll check back in with y'all in a minute, because I'm about to sit down and watch me some TV, because that's what I love to do. Besides cleaning up, I want to watch me some TV. So yeah, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. So we got the chili on the hot dogs, and this one I use right here. If you got an H-E-B near you, this one is my favorite one. I like this one better than Wolf Brand, because this one it tastes like real meat instead of like canned meat. It tastes like they cooked it and put it in the can. Ooh-wee. I got some onions. I got onions and stuff, but I don't know if I want to cut up the onions because I'm being lazy. But then I got a ninja that could chop it up. But I feel like I want some onions, you know, because that sounds really, really good. I don't know though. And then the buns I have are going to be these right here. These right here are like buttery and like sweet. And I only got them because all the buns at the entire store was gone. And those buns like $2.98. I remember because I usually get the 99-cent H-E-B hot dogs. Well, Hill Country Fair, they come with 18. That was $2.98. So I got them. And you know what? I'll probably go ahead and cut me up a fresh onion. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let that chili simmer. And then I need to change out this battery because it's saying it's about to die. But yeah, I'm gonna probably cut me up some fresh onion because I want me some onion on my chili dog. And I probably just cut it instead of just putting it in the little chopper because it's not that serious. It's not that serious.